Look at this mess. I washed it. Didn't curl it because we are, well, today we're not, because today it's pretty, but it's very humid right now. And yesterday we had over 5, almost 6 inches of rain. Over 5, less than 6, but so we'll just say 5.5 inches of rain. I mean, we have we had flooding. First flood warning came in, it only went to 1 p.m. No, I think it was 11 a.m. the first time. Then another one came in, it got moved to 1 p.m. Then another one came in and it got moved to midnight. And then we had another one after that and it got moved to 1:30 a.m. this morning. So it's like, it just kept lingering and holding on longer and longer. Because they thought it was going to blow through in the morning, but it did not. So that's why I didn't bother to try to put curl in my hair, because it just wouldn't do. Didn't fix it, but I just pulled it back in my little clippies, which again, it's not a hair video. Anyway, it's testing the foundation and everything on my face. Okay, I went ahead and primed my eyes with primer before I started, and then I went ahead and I just put the foundation to act as a primer to hold my eyeshadow down. And I'm very, very excited. I got in yesterday from Indy and Ari. However, they're not the maker. That's the company I ordered from. This is the Concrete Minerals. This is the Zombie Girl. If y'all can see without them falling out. There's 6 different colors in here. This is the Vaccine, which is a grayish. Graveyard, which is a brownish gray. There's a purple called Nightmare. Blood and Guts. The Living Dead. So, oh, did I have one more? Quarantine. I like that, Quarantine. Okay. So those are that one. Then I also got Sugar Skull. And this one it's a real pretty pink. Viva Los Muertos. Los Angelitos. This one is Cavalera. Altar of Roses. Sweet Katrina. And Saint. Which, that's actually more of a navy. There it looks royal blue in that picture. And that's not all. I got a lot more. I don't remember the names of the other sets because I opened them. I'm sad. I'll just show the colors. Okay, White Rabbit, West Coast, Seance, Revolver. Then we have Napalm, Juvenile, Bang Up. And this is a much brighter blue than the other one, which was more of a navy. But they still look pretty similar in there. On the camera, that is. Brat, Unity. I got almost every color they have. Okay, Kinky, which it's given off a blue cast to the camera, but it's a gunmetal gray. Okay, Ether. I love the colors, the names. Black Metal, Sabotage, and then I have, I'm not sure of the difference. I'm gonna have to look. There is Bulletproof, Flame. This one is Hi-Fi and Risque. And these two are closed. This is Moss, which is a glitter. Ooh, very beautiful packaging. And then this one is called Austin. I don't remember what color that is. Oh, it's a shimmery pink. Then I also ordered the electric eye primer, which I forgot I had ordered that, or I wouldn't have put the other on my eyes. So, where to begin? I got so many colors.